And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 166. Let us talk about the diffuse filter. I press Ctrl J here to copy the original, and we can find it right here under filter, stylize, diffuse. Make sure the preview is checked, and then you have 4 modes: normal, darken only, lighten only, and anisotropic. And you can see it blurs it a little bit out, so it's basically an unsharpen, you could say. And what it does in detail is that it shuffles the pixels in your original or in your selection, whatever you've got active, and then it makes it appear less focused. For different modes, when you have the darken only, it replaces or it shuffles only the light pixels with darker ones, and for lighten only, it only does the inverse, and the anisotropic is for softening all pixels. It's often used to blur edges, create a soft focus effect, and it's often used for painting styles. For example, when you want to create a specific line art effect on embossing. And this is how you can use the diffuse filter in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.